This is a text-based music notation file. It looks like simple text, ABC, but software like EasyABC can read it and play it back as actual music. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's listen to it. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade ABC file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. An ABC file contains musical notation written in the ABC notation format, a text-based system for representing music. It's designed for easy readability and transcription, allowing musicians to share and archive tunes. ABC files can include information about the title, composer, key, meter, and individual notes, making them a versatile format for folk, traditional, and classical music. A. BAC notation uses a simple human-readable syntax. Letters represent notes, AG, with modifiers for accidentals, octave changes, and note lengths. Rhythms are indicated by numbers and symbols. The file structure typically includes header information, followed by the musical notation itself. Software parses this text to render the music visually or audibly. Windows often defaults to associating ABC with the EasyABC solution from John Chambers. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows can load and play these files, but any advanced sound work relies on professional editors. Your most vital first action is the file association test. Right-click the ABC file and choose Open With. If EasyABC is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the correct software. If the ABC file is still refusing to open, it's expected. This format is tricky. Since the ABC file is so specific, let's confirm your environment. We need to verify these key details before fixing the error. First, use ABC Viewer Editor. Open the file using a tool like ABC Transcription Tools or the free ABC Explorer Editor to view and edit the musical notation. Next, check syntax transpose. If the file won't render notation, check the ABC syntax for errors. If the tune is too high-low, use the transpose function. Finally, convert to MIDI PDF. Use the software's export function to save the tune as a standard MIDI file or a professional PDF tunebook. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the ABC name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. The search is over. FileMagick is the specialized universal viewer you need. It handles any ABC format, available at filemagick.com. Maximum fix, minimum time. If you appreciate the efficiency, a like and subscribe are much appreciated. We got that problem solved in record time.